The first Americans. Long years ago, in all our wide land, there were no cities. There were no railways or roads. There were no horses or wheels, but there were people living here. The people lived in small groups scattered over the land. Some wandered across the wide grassy plains, hunting for food. They carried their homes, called teepees, with them. The women or girls of these groups could set up teepees quickly. The men hunted wild buffalo. The people ate the meat of the buffalo, and they wore its hide for clothing. They covered their teepees with buffalo hide. The men made tools from buffalo bones. No wonder these nations came to be known as the people of the buffalo. Winters were hard on the plain. The people set up camps close to rivers. Some heaped earth around the bottom of their teepees, and others built lodges of earth to keep out the winter winds. Often, there was not much food. Boys were sent out alone each night to fetch water, or they spent their days and nights alone without food or water to test their bravery. Boys of the Plains Nation wanted to grow up to be good hunters and warriors, and they learned to make war whistles, war clubs, and bows and arrow. They also learned to shape bowls and pipes from stone and to make stems from wood. The boy started work as a moccasin bearer or as a servant to the warrior. Then he became a water carrier. After that, he scouted herds of buffalo and kept an eye out for enemies. If he was a good scout, he became a warrior. The best warrior became the chief. For play, the boys wrestled or rolled small hoops with spears. They spun tops and played stickball. Their balls were made out of deer or buffalo hair wrapped in strips of hide. Girls played house with toy teepees or carried puppies on their backs instead of baby dolls, and they helped their mothers.